What's up, guys? Happy beginning to July 4th weekend, which my favorite holiday of the year. I don't know. Thanksgiving's a pretty good one too. So since we got the motor running, that's good to go. Now it's kind of trying to wrap this thing up, make it look nice with a nice little bow on top. We're going to be pulling out all the wiring harnesses. Not all of them, but the C100 harness, pulling it out and actually really dialing in the looming, getting it looking good, and then run it back through everything. I'm also going to be replacing my TV cable. And what's kind of tough is with the TV cable, what I have to do is actually remove the plenum. So we got to remove the plenum throttle body, lift that out, get the TV cable out. Obviously we'll lift up the car, get under there, pull it out, put the new one in, and hopefully that will also could be maybe some of the issues. Don't know, we'll see. And kind of get all these wires so it doesn't look like a giant rat nest under here, and get it a lot more organized and making it look good. So we can get like a nice before and after viewing of everything. I gotta push this car back, it's way too forward for me. I can't really do much right now. But yeah, you just got a lot of wires hanging around, not looking very good. And yeah, they're all just flopping around. So we'll get that dialed in. So we're actually gonna start underneath where the starter is and releasing where the fans are first. And then once those come out, well, actually, what I'll probably do is first take off the plenum and the throttle body. That probably makes the most sense to do right now first. All right, it took, Jesus Christ, I'm a sweaty mess. That's not a shadow, that's sweat. It's like 90 degrees out. But the good news is all the wires are out of the engine bay. I am going to start to marry the FiTech system and the factory harness together. Once I have it kind of a little bit more organized, we'll do a little bit of a close-up and kind of go over exactly what I did. So yeah, there we are. So we're moving right along. It only took about 3 hours or so. TV cable is disconnected. I'm probably going to pull that out right now that all the wires are out of the way. Note to self, if you're doing it, I don't know why I didn't think of this, but when you pop off the TV cable, transmission fluid goes everywhere. So if you're going to do a TV cable on one of these cars, make sure you're ready for probably about, I don't know, maybe like a half a quart of transmission fluid to come out. So luckily I had a bucket close by. I was able to get it under there so it didn't make too much of a mess. So, all right, next check-in will be once I kind of have everything a little more organized. Yeah, hot as balls.